How to change Ubisoft account name. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your name on Ubisoft. In order to change your username on Ubisoft, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and after that open up a web browser of your choice. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in account.ubisoft.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. This is going to take you to the account management page. So once you're on this page, you need to go to account information, which is right on top, and on the other half of the screen you'll be able to see your account information. So in order to make changes with your username, just tap on this pencil icon located next to your username and then type in a new one. And once you're done with this procedure, click on the change button now. So before you make changes with the username, you need to go through all of these statements or the general guidelines, and basically that is how you can change your username on Ubisoft account. Also, once you set your username, only after 30 days you'll be able to make changes with your username, and that is how your username is going to change. Now this username has been permanent for 30 days. After 30 days you'll be able to update it. In this way you can change name on ubisoft.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.